Now to the case of the Additional Director General of Police who was suspended by the Tamil Nadu government after strong orders from the Madras High Court in the case of abduction of a 16-year-old boy. The Supreme Court came down heavily on the Tamil Nadu government and expressed shock over the Madras High Court's directive that led to the arrest of ADGP H M Jeyaram in the case. While hearing a petition challenging the High Court's order, the top court questioned the rationale behind the officer's arrest and pulled up the state government for suspending him. Observing that Jeyaram was cooperating with the investigation, the bench advised that his suspension be reconsidered and asked the Tamil Nadu police to file a detailed response.
It was on the basis of the direction by the Madras High Court a couple of days ago, asking the police to secure the ADGP H M Jeyaram. The Tamil Nadu government had suspended him even as the police took him under custody and interrogated him for nearly 24 hours and then let him off, saying that he would be summoned whenever required for further questioning. They did not arrest him, but the background is that the police officer, ADGP rank police officer H M Jeyaram, was allegedly involved in a child kidnap case over a love marriage and in connivance with an MLA called Puvai Jaganmurthy, the chief of the Purachi Bharatham political party. And when the police got wind of the abduction of this minor boy, he was quickly released in a car, in the official car of the ADGP. In the car also, the father of the young bride, whose daughter was attempted to be taken away from that marriage and brought home. Police also had alleged that there was a huge financial transaction behind the abduction. In that context, the court had come down heavily on the police why they had not arrested the ADGP, and it did not grant bail for the politician but made some strong observations that politicians cannot be involving in kangaroo courts and ought to be role models, and the police had interrogated both. It's in that context the police officer had moved the Supreme Court, and now the Supreme Court has questioned how the High Court can order the securing of this police officer when there was, in that sense, no concrete evidence for his involvement, or without giving an opportunity for the officer to give his side of the story.